2017 Sylvan 8522 Mirage. Two-tune boat. Used exclusively in Madison. One owner. Serviced and stored with dealer. Snap-on playpen cover. Bimini top. Extended rear deck. Under deck mounted ski tow frame. 115 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke command thrust. 4-step telescoping stainless steel ladder. Rear entry. LE edition. Docking lights on the front. Little video with the playpen cover off. Let's get inside and check out the boat. Entering off the very usable extended rear swim platform. You've got dual couches with Sylvan's LZ seating, cockpit table with another mounting position forward, cup holders throughout the boat, underseat storage, captain's chair, passenger chair, your helm with instrumentation including a depth finder and tilt steering and infinity Bluetooth stereo, 12-person capacity, pop-up changing room, under helm storage, well-equipped pre-owned boat, limited use, available at SkipperBud's of Madison. Ask for Aaron.